Good morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto G54 and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. So if you wish to connect your Google account with Motorola, all you have to do is to reach settings, then find and select passwords and accounts. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and then click on add account. Select Google and provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. And now enter the password. Let me do it off the screen. Here it is. Tap on next. If you do agree with all the terms and conditions, and when you want to go further you have to agree, tap on I agree. If you will not be able to use your Google account here, it's not possible any other way. And now just click on accept. So that's it. As you can see, Google account has been added. You can smoothly use it, and then once you want to remove some account, smoothly mark it and then select remove account, then confirm it here. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.